does the concept of detachment, vairagya, aid in mental health according to Hindu philosophy? In Hindu philosophy, the concept of detachment, known as vairagya, holds profound significance for mental well-being. This concept is rooted in the understanding that excessive attachment to worldly possessions, desires, and outcomes can lead to suffering and inner turmoil. By practicing detachment, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace and emotional resilience. One of the key aspects of vairagya is the recognition of the impermanence of all things. Hindu philosophy emphasizes that everything in the material world is subject to change and decay. By understanding this truth, individuals can learn to let go of their attachments to material possessions and external outcomes. This detachment allows them to focus on the eternal and unchanging aspects of life, such as the soul or the divine. Another important aspect of vairagya is the cultivation of non-attachment to desires. Hindu philosophy teaches that desires are the root cause of suffering. When individuals become attached to fulfilling their desires, they set themselves up for disappointment and frustration. Practicing detachment from desires involves learning to accept things as they are and to find contentment in the present moment. Furthermore, vairagya encourages individuals to develop a sense of equanimity. This means maintaining a balanced and composed state of mind regardless of the circumstances one encounters. By practicing equanimity, individuals can avoid becoming overly attached to pleasant experiences or excessively averse to unpleasant ones. They learn to accept both the joys and sorrows of life with a sense of inner peace. Practicing vairagya also involves cultivating a sense of self-awareness and self-realization. Hindu philosophy teaches that the true self is not the ego or the personality, but rather the eternal and unchanging soul. By detaching from the ego and its desires, individuals can experience a deeper connection with their true nature and find lasting inner peace. In conclusion, the concept of detachment, or vairagya, plays a crucial role in promoting mental health according to Hindu philosophy. By recognizing the impermanence of all things, cultivating non-attachment to desires, developing equanimity, and seeking self-realization, individuals can find inner peace, emotional resilience, and a deeper connection with their true nature.